drawing
pots of gold. That's right, we're gonna be drawing pots of gold. Happy St. Patrick's Day to all of you out there. Hope you're enjoying. I hope you decide to do this draw along. It's really a lot of fun. And who wouldn't want a talking pot of gold? Ready to go?
Yeah.
One, two, three. All right, today we're gonna draw a lucky pot of gold. You ready, my boy?
Yep.
The luck of the Irish. I don't have a good Irish accent, but. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is draw a pot. First step, oval. Middle of the page, like up, off to the left. It's gonna look something like this. Okay, we're gonna leave a big opening here in the middle. Good stuff. Next, we're gonna put in the curved part of the opening. So it's just gonna swoop down like that. Okay, now we do a C shape here and a C shape on the other side. Okay, cool. We're not gonna do any more with that, with the back of the pot, because there's gonna be gold coins everywhere, all right? But what we will need to do is the front lip is gonna mimic the shape of that, so it creates like a lip to the pot. Cool, next we're gonna draw in all the coins, okay? So they're gonna be circular. I'm gonna stick with coins. You can do nuggets or whatever you want, but I'm gonna do coins because they're nice and easy because it's round. So some are gonna be sticking out more than others. Some are gonna be bigger. Some are gonna be smaller. Some are gonna be in behind. Okay, you can see you can't see a full coin anywhere because there's so many in there. They're stuffed in there together. So just go ahead and start putting in your gold coins. And when you feel like you have enough, stop. I'm gonna have an abundance. I feel like I need just a couple more. Maybe that. Maybe that many. That's good for me. One more. And another. And another. Yeah, that's probably pretty good. Now, the cool thing about these pots is they're black. So when we made our C shapes, we didn't really make the right angle because that's got to go around the back of the pot, more like that. But the good thing is they're black, the pots are black. So even though, well, that line kind of worked out, this one, if I make it thicker, it will kind of work out. But it's gonna be colored black anyway, so you wanna take those lines and go right in behind the coins now. Next, we gotta make these pots come alive, okay? This is gonna actually be a talking pot. It can tell us all about its fortune.
Yep.
Okay? So we're gonna put some U shapes in here for feet. So I've got a U shape here, and over on the other side, try to keep it pretty equal. I'm gonna do another U shape. So it's got legs. Awesome. Next is going to be eyes. I'm gonna give my guy huge eyes. You know how I feel about huge eyes. I like huge eyes, right? And do these have to be perfect, Landon?
Nope.
No, because at Craft Kids TV, we don't go for perfection, we go for
fun.
That's right, man. All right, here we go. One giant eyeball. And a second giant eyeball. You gonna go for giant eyeballs?
Yep.
Awesome. Now, we're gonna put in 2 circles, one here, one here. Those are kind of big, okay? Good. And then we put in the little reflection circles up in the corner that are much smaller. Okay, and then he's gonna get a little smile. I think he's gonna get a handle. You wanna do a handle?
Yeah.
I wanna do a handle. So first we're gonna start with an upside down U shape. It's gonna go from this side all the way, my paper just kind of got bound up there, all the way to this side. Now you'll notice I didn't worry about those lines not meeting because this is ultimately going to be black. So, and once we do that, then we'll go ahead and do another line and thicken it up. Nice work. So mimic that edge with another line, okay? And just color red and black. You may notice that like we were in the process of drawing this and then now here we are. That's because our camera cut out. We ran out of storage space. So here we are. We've got that issue cleared up. Here we are. We've got our handles. We've got our pots. We've got bubbling personalities, pots full of gold, and we're ready to color.
Yep.
So you want to just do? Do you want to do a magic trick or not?
Yeah.
You do a magic trick?
Magic trick.
All right, we're gonna do a magic trick. So what Landon and I decided to do is that we're gonna take our clickers and we are going to push the on button. As soon as we hit that on button, these are gonna be colored. Lines are gonna be thickened. They're gonna look just how we want them to look. Okay, so get your thumb right up here. 1, 2, 3. It works! Look at those pots of gold. Those are so cool.
Those are really good.
Nice job, Landon.
Good job, Dad.
All right, now I think it's really important. We've started to do this lately. We're gonna sign our artwork, just with our first names. Okay, sign your artwork. One, two, three. Pots of gold. The luck of the Irish, we found ourselves a pot of gold.
Yeah.
My Irish accent's terrible, but it's fun to try. We had a really excellent time with these. It was so much fun. Hopefully you drew along. Happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody out there. And until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome. Bye.